Hello YouTube, this is Johnny. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this problem on your phones. So we have an issue here, and this is a Tecno W2. Even if you had reset it, it will bring this option here. When you try to go and access File Manager, when you allow to bring this error here. And this is called Screen Overlay Detected. So when you go to open settings, it will take you to this side, but let me show you step by step how to access that point. You go to settings, and when you reach settings, you go to apps. Then when you reach apps, you see this settings icon again in the apps, and you say draw over other apps. These are some apps that draw over other apps, and we have an app that is causing problems here. It's called Hockey. And this is an app we don't know what it's doing in our phone. But in our case here, you're going to go ahead and disable options for permitting it to or drawing over other apps. So when you click the home button and you try to access in our case, our file manager, you're going to go ahead and click allow, and your file manager now works very well. And if you go back to gallery, sorry about that. When you go to gallery, you allow, then your gallery will open. And let's try again and try to go to video. Then I don't have any videos here because I had reset my phone. So this is how you do this very quickly. And this would work on other phones, Samsung, Nokia's, Tecno's, Infinix. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Click the like button, comment, and see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Goodbye.